Hello, friend. If you don't want to use Windows GPO, Citrix has enabled a feature in Citrix policies, so you can also use CCFM configuration way in via Citrix policy. For this, you need to go to the Citrix Studio, Web Studio, go to the policies, create policies, and then in this policies, you will search for the Uber. Then you have settings, which you can enable it. You can integrate with director. You can define the path for where is the archive file bundle is, and then license file you can also place on the network and define the path here. And this is the way, and then you can target this policy on delivery group level, with the different filters, OU delivery groups, so that you can have different based of configuration via Citrix policies to the delivery groups for the Citrix UBERAgent configurations, FM archive file configuration. Then you don't need to create multiple GPOs for Windows GPOs for Uber configuration. That's the one way, another way of doing it, actually, I would say. Thank you.